I'm here at the scrapyard mainly for some other high dollar parts, but I need some washer nozzles for my town and country. And these washer nozzles that go up in the bottom of your hood that spray onto your windshield, like these ones here, these little plastic things, are notorious for breaking on the underneath side where the hose presses onto them. And you can buy them new on Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description, but I thought since while I was here at the scrapyard, I'd go ahead and get a couple of these replacements, probably cheaper, and get the factory originals while I'm here. So this one here, they're already removed. Someone's already robbed them. There's another van, but here's an example of broken nozzle. So this one is like what my van at home is doing. They just break off over time, and then the hose won't, there has nothing to stick onto. Here we've got a 2014 that will work fine. I think you can use 08 to 17. The engine's gone out of this, but all I need are these little nozzles. So let's see if they're intact under here. They look intact. Let's go ahead and get those removed. If I can get this hood to stay open. All right, they're right here. As you can see, this little hose just presses onto that plastic nozzle, and the plastic nozzle over time just breaks right off as it gets older. So I'm gonna try to gently remove these without breaking that plastic piece. Should be able to just twist it and pull it off. Yep, that one stayed intact. See if we can manage to get this one here. Twist it, pull it down. Straight down, yep. These should be in good shape if I can get them off. You should be able to just squeeze these tabs here and press them. Actually, they press out from the top of the hood once you get these tabs loose. There we go. Reach up there, and here is the first one. Looks like we removed it in good condition. Let's try this other one here. Able to get that one also. The little tab sort of broke off there, so I'm going to see if I can find another one. Got a couple good candidates. A 2014 here with the nozzles that look intact, and that maroon 2015 over here. I'm going to try this 2015 just because it's 1 year newer. Hopefully it's not as brittle. These old ones are hard to get out without breaking. I tried 3 different vehicles. Managed to get a total of 3 of these out without breaking the little tabs. These ones here, the little tabs are broken off. Again, I'll put a link to brand new ones of these. They're pretty cheap on Amazon, actually.
Thanks for tuning into the Repair Nut channel. Here's a link to subscribe to the channel and another link to the video where I installed these in my actual town and country.